fix add friend button not showing. So I will give you solution. Open the Facebook app, then select the three lines and you show option like help and support, and click here the help center and message now, like this. Type the message and type the your problem key, means not showing your Facebook add friend button. And two solution is the long press the Facebook app, then click here the app information, then scroll down and you show options like foster option. So first click here for stock, then click here the data and usage. So now the clear the data like storage usage and clear data and clear cache, and your problem is solved. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.